Hi, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make my chewy chocolate cheesecake bars. They are so delicious. It's like a hybrid of a cheesecake and a tray bake merged into one, and I think you're going to love it. As ever, the ingredient weights are in the description below, so if you're going and doing your shopping, the list is below. So to start, you're going to take 200 grams of chocolate chip cookies and you're going to bash them either in a bag with a rolling pin or in a food processor until you have got mainly fine crumbs with a few bigger bits. Now you're going to take some butter, so 100 grams of butter in the microwave. Once your butter is liquid, we're going to pour that on top of the crushed biscuits and combine until it's all covered in butter. Now you're going to take your buttery biscuit mixture and you're going to put it into a prepared tray bake tin and press it down until it's all compacted. So now we're going to make our cheesecake filling, and this is so simple. We're just going to whack everything into a KitchenAid and just mix it all together. So I've got 1 tub of Philadelphia, and this is a 200 gram tub. I've got 50 grams of sour cream. Now in goes 50 grams of caster sugar, just 1 egg, and now finally a dessert spoon of sieved plain flour. Now turn on your mixer and let that do the work for you. Now you should have a mixture that resembles a cheesecake, and we're going to spread all of this on top of our base. So making sure it gets all the way into the corners and is evenly distributed. Now you're going to take some prepared caramel. You can of course make it yourself if you'd like. You're going to blob that all around the top of your cheesecake. Then take the end of a knife or a spoon and pull through, so you're basically creating like a nice marble top to your cheesecake. So I always think caramel needs some salt to balance out that super sweet, so I'm just going to sprinkle a decent amount of sea salt on top of my caramel and cheesecake mixture. So now it's ready to go into the oven at 180 for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheesecake looks like it's not wobbling all over the place. Once it's come out of the oven and cooled, you're ready to chop it into fingers and enjoy. As ever, if you have enjoyed this recipe video, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell for notifications.